Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's not check our coin. Hello, hello everyone. Hello Magic Chess. Allen, ngayon lang nakabalik. Yeah, we miss you. Thoughts sa Luna mo, sir? We will check Luna. Okay, we'll see what Luna. Luna is just one of the affected of the bear market. Badly hit. But still, it will recover since it has a good use case, right? Yes, Ava Grande, hello. Zen Batsu, hello. Don Ventura, yo, what's up? Good evening. Lord Slody, hello. Felicity Villaflor. Yes. Attorney Navarra, hello. ATTY Navarra. Christian J. Charity, hello. Good to see you. Ethereum, okay, we will check Ethereum. Raven Pineda. Hello. Hello, everyone. So, how is your Saturday? So, seems like there's not much movement with our Saturday, okay? And seems like our Friday, not much movement also. Just a drop from our channel app and just waiting in our entry, okay, in 29,300. So, we are just staying here. Okay. We'll see what more it can do. And I think our title for today is either it's a weekend pump or consolidation. So if we don't pump, we just consolidate. Oh, it's raining in your place, Charity. So it's your Saturday is raining. I see. We had a rain also yesterday. Okay. The first rain of May. They call it medicine. Anyway, so yeah, let's check some news for Bitcoin. And feel free to suggest your coin, okay? Bitcoin fixes inflation and government control over people's wealth, says the Bitcoin Standard author. Okay, we'll see. So there is an attack in Bitcoin that most are doubting and instability of Bitcoin during against inflation, okay? So it's been called into doubt. So people are doubting it to be a hedge against dollar in inflation. Okay, a recent interview with Lex Friedman on his podcast published on May 11. Amos discussed the benefit and criticism of Bitcoin while challenges such as rampant inflation are impacting different economies. Across the globe as the asset is currently undergoing a bearish spell in the market. I think a very large number of problems in the world are caused by easy money, are caused by inflation, and caused by government having access to essentially an infinite recourse of people's wealth, and I think Bitcoin fixes this. It combines gold's salability across time with fiat salability across space in one immutable package that nobody can change. Oh, noise. What's more, the economists emphasize that Bitcoin consensus parameters have not changed, saying that they are still the same. Amos pointed out that the vast majority of other digital currency, if not all of them, have undergone several hard forks, which the community considered to be improvement. He noted the creators and founders by saying Bitcoin can't upgrade, but we upgrade all the time. The authors Find, well, you know, what else upgraded all the time? Facebook, Apple, Amazon. Anything that centralizes is very easy to upgrade. And that's precisely why, as Michael Saylor says, these things are somebody's liability. They are security you're carrying on somebody's technical economic liability. They are hard fork. They can 10x the supply tomorrow. All right. The Bitcoin not changing supply, ah. No upgrades. Hello, hello. Hello, Myro. Hello, Ben. Hello, Ariel. Hello, Kim. Okay. So this, what's truly mind-blowing about it, the electricity that you need for mining can be done anywhere. Okay. All right. So this is bullish for Bitcoin, okay? Cardano whales, transaction volume source, ADA price direction change. Likely, sentiment says. Okay, so now the whales are pumping ADA. Team noticed a spike in whale transaction on Cardano chain while the price dipped to 0.40 level. The tweet even specified the times when this rise in the transaction volume occurred in 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. That while transaction spikes like this are often followed by ADA price reversal. Cardano whale showed a flurry of transaction yesterday as price were bottoming out to 0.40 between 8 a.m. to 12. Okay. ADA saw 1,085 transaction exceeding 100k in value, the largest spike since January. Alright, so it's DCS whales holding 30.8 million ADA. Okay, so this is bullish news. By now, the top 7 coin ADA is trading at 0.53 after recovering to the 0.6 zone from 0.4. At the moment, ADA is 82.72% below its historic peak of 3.1 reached on September 2. This year, on January 18, the coin managed to rise a high of 1.6. Alright, so bullish news. This one is bullish news for ADA, okay? Boss Money launches direct remittance to Ethiopia using Ripple's partner TerraPay solution. Okay, Terra. This is related to Luna. Okay? Okay. So, following its partnership with Ripple partner and global remittance player TerraPay, IDT Corporation has announced that its Boss Money service will be made available in Ethiopia. The initiative would enable users in the United States and other countries to make direct deposit to 40 million Ethiopian bank accounts. And the funds would be received within minutes. Wow. So this is super bullish for XRP and Terra. Okay. So this is super bullish news for XRP, okay? Top whales add another 109.84 billion Shiba Inu. Okay, so for those SHIB army, the, the, the whales are now accumulating again. So we are in the accumulation phase, okay? The whales another added 109.84 billion. That's huge. Major Ethereum whales added another 109.84 billion SHIB, worth 1.4 million. Okay, so it's worth 1.4 million only to her wallet in the past 24 hours as the accumulation trend continues. Okay. The recent SHIB accumulation trend starts when Shiba Inu lost its significant support level located in 0.001717 for the first time since October 28, 2021. Okay. So it's a good time to buy. As soon as the breakout occurs, the top Ethereum whale named Blue Whale 0073 became active, gobbling up billions of Shiba Inu tokens in one go. Since May 9, the Ethereum whale has scooped up over 1.27 trillion SHIB tokens. So much. It's worth 16.5 million through 5 separate transactions. Okay? So dollar cost average. Buying, buying, buying. As of the recent whale report, top Ethereum whale has just processed her 5th transaction in a row, added 109.8 billion. More of SHIB worth 1.4 million. Okay. So yeah, this is bullish for our SHIB. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales are holding FTX, SHIB, BEST, OKB, CHSB, Matic, Link, MXC. Okay, so that's the top 2,000 Ethereum whales. So, these are not financial advice, okay? Just whale stats by Baby Whale. Hello, hello, Francis Blaze. Hello again. Joe Mingala. Hello, Al Negro. Bizanguin. Hello, hello. Where have you been? Where have you been? We miss you here. Hi, Mavic. Myla. Hello. Jose Marie Kalaika. Yo, what's up? Okay, so that's our news. Our greed and fear index is 9. This is extreme fear. Okay, too much extreme fear right this one. So you can see we are really below. We haven't been in 9. Just in 10, we reached 10. Max. Let me check the max. Okay, this one reached 12. Then this one reached. This one is 5. Oh. Before bouncing back to the top. And now we are experiencing 9. Okay, this is too low. So we might bounce from here. Because as you see, it goes down, up, down, up, down. Extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear. This one here even reached extreme greed, 95. This one in 2019, extreme greed. 83, 80. Yeah. So extreme fear and extreme greed at work. Okay. So we got little liquidation for this 24 hours, 158 million only. And no more liquidation for Luna, okay? No more Luna liquidation. Alright, BTC and Ethereum only. Okay, okay. So 57% long position, 68% short position, okay? Not 68, 68 million. Short position, 92 million long position. Okay. So now let's check your suggested coin and we'll see what the market is saying. Thoughts mo sa Luna, sir? So what is Luna saying to us now? Right now, there is Luna coin. It's back in Binance, okay? It's recovering now. Recovering from the massive drop. It's recovering now. Okay. What's the difference between Luna and SHIB? Luna has proven already that it can reach 114. While SHIB is still going to prove it itself. Okay, and what's their common denominator? They are close. This one has 3-0. SHIB, how many 0 for SHIB? How many is 0 for SHIB? SHIB has 4-0. Okay, 4-0 for SHIB. Okay. 4-0 for SHIB and Luna has 3-0. So yeah. Good evening, good evening. So I think it will be back in no time. Once they fix the UST, so the next one that will be fixed will be Luna. Okay, so yeah. These are for handlers only. Okay, not for day traders. Okay, so if you have bought like in $1, $2, so you're gonna need to wait more. Okay, point one, but it is recovering. It is recovering. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Do you have a Luna Magic Chess, Allen? Ethereum. Okay, we will check Ethereum now. Any suggestion, coin? Feel free to suggest. Ethereum. We are currently in the support of Ethereum. Okay, this is our support for a long time. Next support waiting right here. The next support will be a little far. Okay. That's the next support. Okay, so once you break this, then you wait for this next supply zone. A demand zone. Once you break this next demand zone, then you wait for this next demand zone. Okay, so that's Ethereum for you. Time frame. This is triple top. Okay, so that's distribution phase. This is a distribution phase. Alright, so if this is a distribution phase, that would only mean we can go a lot deeper. Okay. So we are finding support in 618. Okay, in weekly time frame. We have bounce in 618, so there is a tendency that we can start trading from here. Okay, this will be our next trading area. The next option would be we'll copy this movement here. If we have a strong support here, okay, this is our trading range. So most likely we would continue our trend. Okay, like this one. And then test again here. Okay, this will be our trading area potential. Okay. So, but if we break this, then we can start going down. And if I say start going down, the price target would be from top. Okay. From, oops, happened. Okay, here. The price target would be right here. Okay. So with this breakout here, so we need to hold this line. Okay, this 618 is the crucial support. If you break this, then all hell break loose to the downside. Okay, so better hold this area here or see more dump, because in the Wyckoff you can see that this is accumulation area, and this can be the distribution area, distribution phase. 3 picks. That's kind of clear right there. Okay, and then start dropping and then accumulation again. Okay, the biggest volume kicks right here. So this can be the bottom for Ethereum. Okay, this can be the bottom for Ethereum in our VPVR. Okay, but this is already a crash of the indexes. Okay, so if the S&P crashes, the Russell also, the Dow Jones also, then Ethereum will also follow. Okay, as Bitcoin will also crash. Okay, okay. So most likely that's what we are looking at right now. Okay. The good thing though is our USD, the dollar currency index, which is measured against 6 major currencies, you can see here that it started to correct. Whenever the dollar is going down, Bitcoin and the rest will go up and it will start pumping. Right now, it's not moving because it's weekend. So there is not much volume in dollar, okay? But basically, if they start dropping from here, we can expect more to the upside, okay? If this If this continues to the downside, this can be a good sign. This can be very bullish for us, okay? And let's start dropping from here. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. Hello, Jose, Mai, and Ramil. Hello, hello, sir. Hello, hello as well. Okay, so yeah. Ethereum most likely will hold this as all the indexes are holding. So what can we expect with Ethereum? Jade, hello. If you have any suggestion for coin, you can suggest, okay? We will check it. So in daily time frame, this is what we are seeing. This one is bullish, Harami. So we are opening a new green candle here. So if this continues, then this is a possible breakout, okay, to the upside. Okay. Long wick signaling a touch of a demand zone, okay? So whenever you touch a demand zone, it's gonna pull up the price. Okay. For our time frame, how to trade Ethereum, let's check. Okay, we will check Matic. Tanong ko lang sir, pwede po ba mag-crash yung USDT? Okay, that's an interesting question. But as you can see, USDT has 80 billion. Okay? And USDC is 40 billion. So the biggest in the stable coin is USDT. And it is not the same with Luna because Luna and USD is not pegged with dollar. USD is pegged with Luna. That's why for USD to recover, it needs to sacrifice Luna. So Luna is the sacrificial lamb of USD. For USD to hold on to its peg to dollar. But it's not pegged to dollar. It's not 1 USD is $1. No, it's not like that. Okay? So for USD to crash, it will crash first all other stable coin that is pegged with dollar. That includes USDC, BUSD, and the rest. So the last one that will be dropping would be the USD. Okay? And if USDT drops, the rest of the coins will drop. Okay? So that's how simple because it's 80 billion. It's the biggest. Okay? Yeah. So thank you for asking, Ramil, okay? So that's a valid. But we are not spreading FUD, okay? So whenever there is FUD in the retailers, that's the time that the institutional money, the institutional investors will pump the price. Okay, so when everybody is fearful, that's when they're gonna pump the price because everybody is not buying. Okay? So yeah. So when you are fearful, the institutional traders are greedy. When you are greedy, the institutional traders are fearful. Okay? So yes, yes, yes. So nothing to be afraid of. Okay. So since it's the biggest, so if it crashes, that would mean that would crash everything. Okay. So the incidents, the incidents are just normal because the dollar went so high. Okay, the dollar went so high here that most of the stable coins that are not pegged to dollar really went down. Okay, and even the stable coin that is pegged to dollar, they also went down. That includes USDC, BUSD. They also went down and then they recovered right away. Okay, so yeah, it's for every stablecoin experience. Okay, okay. Hi, Tupid. Good to see you. It's Boom versus T1 now. Are you watching? If you are an avid fan of Dota. So it's a major tournament now. Stockholm. Okay. Player. Yes, sir. Okay, so that's why I'm thinking Ethereum is in the condition to move up. Okay? It's in the condition to move up. So most probably this is the bottom already. So we can expect more from here to the upside. Let me pull out some Fibonacci. Swing low to swing high. So yeah. So we are finding support in 382. If you want to open a long position, this is your opening area. Okay, 382. You can long here. You can long here. If you cannot catch this ride, you can long here. 20.64. And then price target would be price target would be okay. Okay, so your price target would be zero point 0.5, 0.618, and zero point 0.7 up to 1. Okay, so that can be your price target. 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and 1. Okay, you can have that as price target. Alright. Okay, Cuckoo. Cuckoo of T1, huh? Yes, yes, yes. Ang buhay ng coin ay sa mga whales. Yeah. So it's a playground of the whales, huh? Alright. And maybe these whales are actually institutional money, just managed by a day trader. Okay, so we call them whales because they are individual who has huge wallet that you don't know where their funds is coming. Maybe a bank is funding them. So the institutional traders are hiding behind a whale. Okay. So this is Ethereum. Thank you for suggesting, okay? Okay, so let's check Matic, suggested by Francis Blaze. Okay, any other suggestion? Just drop it. Okay, before we continue with the Matic, it's already 6:29. And this one is brought to you by our Yulian Exchange. Okay, so make sure you scan that QR code and let's start in our community trading. All right. So you scan the QR code right here. Okay, you scan this QR code or you click this link right here and you will be redirected to our Telegram community. Okay. So in our community right here, so you'll be redirected here and you get to see some profits posted in our community, okay? You can see people making money. Money, money, money. Okay, and then you see some price forecast here. So we drops every day price forecast, the direction of the market for the day, 1 day time frame, weekly time frame, and then 4 hour time frame, and then the signal long short is in practical group. Okay, so you message Rio or Chris. Okay, you message them and then you ask how to be part of the community trade scholar. So they just tell you these these steps. So if you are in this community already, you're gonna get a daily BTC forecast and live technical analysis. And then if you want to get the specific signal, you're gonna put at least 500. Okay, 500 US dollar or 100 in your Julian account. Okay, so if you are trading in Binance, so you just transfer fund and start trading in Julian. Okay, so the good thing with this one is no KYC. So you are purely anonymous. Okay, and the chat support is 24/7. You will always have an answer and you will always find solution with your problem. They will not give up until they solve your problem. Okay? So the BTC forecast, live technical analysis, daily signals, beginner courses. We do Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday and learning video. Okay? And then the exclusive is at least if you have a greater than 500, $2,000, $5,000. And so you can join our exclusive signals. Okay, not just 2 daily signals, but also exclusive signals. Okay, and one-on-one review meeting. Okay, so for your signal, if you want a one-on-one review, mentoring, and meeting, so this is the area, this is the place for you. Okay, and then advanced courses. Okay, so yeah, so here's our practical. Okay, so here is our practical group. Here's our signal. And yeah, so here's our Lucifer. Just testing the feel, huh? Testing the feel. Okay. Ah, so many feel. So many feel coin. NDOS. So short. Not really short right now. It's okay, it's okay. That's good that you really try on your own also, okay? So that's fine. But our signal is Bitcoin. Usually here in practical trade, I only give Bitcoin. So when we see some altcoins traded here, mostly are they start trying already. Okay, how to trade. That's fine. I always tell them that at least you have a tuition of $2,000. If you want to learn, a tuition of $2,000. You don't expect to profit from the 2,000, but you're gonna treat it as a tuition. So you're gonna learn the market. Okay. All right. So yeah. So Ava is also testing XRP, TRX, EOS, all in profit long position. Okay. So yeah. So yes, yes, yes. This is our community. Okay. So make sure you join us so you can start making money also. Okay. Ipon muna ako sir. Kulang pa sa funds. I see, I see. No problem, no problem. Okay. So you just set aside every month how much you are willing to train, okay, to train yourself. Because there was this young boy who asked his dad, "Dad, what should I do so I can make millions monthly?" And then his dad answered him, "Be a day trader. Okay, learn the market because that's the only work that can give you millions. Okay, in a day, in a month." So if you look for other job, that cannot give you any salary with that amount. Okay. So if you already are in the market, then just capitalize on it. Just don't give up. Just keep on learning. Okay. Until you become. So we always say spend your 10,000 hours with us and you'll be a professional day trader, profitable day trader. Okay. So this is our exclusive community also. So you can see here, it's handled by our very own Sir Ian. Okay. All right. So yes, yes, yes. We get so many signals here like other coins also, okay? Not just Bitcoin. So this is where you can have one-on-one review. You can have so many signals here also, okay? Ok- Okay, okay. Hope to see you in our community, okay? All right, so let's check now. Matic. Let's see Matic. Matic. Okay. Okay, Matic, Matic. So this is Matic. Every coin seems the same, right? Their charts looks the same. Okay. Hello, Tupi. Do you have any suggestion? Okay, daily time frame. Okay, seems like our trading views kinda slow. So this is our weekly time frame. And you can see the next support that we are having is this one here. Okay, and we have touched the demand zone where we can start pumping, okay? So the next candle might start pumping from here. Okay, for Matic. Your profit taking area would be 236, 382. Okay, so yeah, you know the market moves in waves. So before it continues to go down, it moves in waves. So before it goes to continue, okay? So that's a possibility right there. Or waves this one and then we'll continue to the upside. That's also possible, okay? Okay. Alright, alright. Okay, so for Matic, how to trade this time. Okay, we will check the RX. So let's pull out the fib. Finding support in 382. So usually 382 is a strong support, but once it breaks, you can open long position in these three. Okay, 618, point 0.5, and 0.382. Okay, and then from here, it's gonna start pumping. Okay, and then price target would be... So profit taking area would be point 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and then 1. Okay, you can profit take area here. Resistance will be coming from here. Another resistance will be coming from here. So we know, right? The market, the candle will always look for support and then test resistance. We are done looking for support. We have found the support. Now we're gonna test resistance. Okay? Okay. So the resistance that we will be testing is first one will be this one. We got to test this resistance here in 382 and we got rejected. So we're gonna test it again until we break. The next resistance will be here, 0.618. Okay, so that's the two resistance that it's gonna test before it goes down again. Okay. All right. So let's check TRX. Okay, so now we are in TRX. So it went exactly as predicted, ah. Accumulation, distribution, accumulation phase. Okay, so there is a check already with the distribution. Now we are in the accumulation check also. So the next one will be distribution again. Okay, so okay. Seems like we have a ascending triangle here. Okay, this one is ascending triangle. Another breakout also from this trend here. Okay, so this is bullish already. With this one, price target should be right here. Okay. Another one here. So these are price target that we are looking at, okay? For this breakout, for this one is for the ascending triangle. Okay. Ascending triangle. What is angling? What is angling, Francis? Okay. So here, the ascending triangle is right here. Okay, so the breakout is to the upside. Okay. All right, and the symmetrical triangle is also has broken out already. So yeah, we are expecting a breakout to the upside. Okay, for this one. Okay, okay, okay. So this is TRX for you. So yeah, after the accumulation phase again here. After the accumulation phase again here. So we can expect another distribution phase again. Okay. So seems like we are just trading this area. We are not going up. Do you mean the accumulation, distribution, and accumulation phase? Is that what you mean, Francis? Okay. Mana, sir. Okay, we will check mana. Okay. Okay. Oh, thanks for that compliment. Cheers to that. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram, okay? So you just spend your first 10,000 hours with us and you get familiar with the market, okay? So we always teach in our community every twice a week, and then wisdom also in trading. Like we teach them that there are things that sometimes we say like it's a contradiction. For example is I also teach them that we don't predict. Okay, someone said we don't predict. We react with the market. Okay, so whenever your prediction is not in line with what is happening with the market, you should be quick to react. Okay, you should be quick to react and then you join the money train. Okay, so we need to be humble enough to react and then just ride and join and make money train. Okay, so yeah. And since it's being applied in our practical group, that's good, okay? So Ava is when I gave a signal for long position and the entry is still far, they shorted it from the price down to the entry. So they made money. That's what I'm talking about. Even though I gave long signal, they were able to get the in between meaning of my message. Yes, yes. Because I really need to give signal not against the trend. Okay, so but there's that gap, so they were able. And also Madam Angela did the same thing. So a really quick reaction with the market. Okay, so yeah, we should be humble enough, okay, to admit that when we are wrong, then we move on. Okay, there are people in the history in the trading, okay, that they lost 1 billion. Okay, you search it in YouTube, the biggest losses, and you just get shocked. They lost their hard-earned 30 years capital, 30 years built up, and they lost it just because of their ego. They are not willing to take the loss. So yeah, they wipe out their account. So we always answer the question. We don't ask the question, how much should I earn this week? Okay, you don't ask that question in day trading if you want it to be your profession. You ask yourself, how should I stay in the market for the next 30 years? How can I be part in this market for the next 30 years? So once you know your management of your fund, once you know how to protect your fund, the profit will follow. Okay? Sikat yung mga tita ko. Pwede na ba pasukin Luna, sir? If you have funds, if you mean pasok for a huddling, we don't know yet because the UST is not yet fixed. Okay? But if you mean you enter for day trading, that's fine. If you're gonna enter and then you exit, you enter, you exit. You make money based on technical analysis, okay? But for huddling, I think we need to wait more for USD to be fixed. So once USD is fixed, then they will start burning Luna again and Luna's price will start to go up again. Okay? Because Luna is again, I repeat, a sacrificial lamb. Okay? So it's a sacrificial lamb for USD. Okay? And if the attack happens, so what is the assurance that they cannot do it again? Since that's the loophole of their system. Okay? Anyway, for day traders, it's okay. So many made money with the Luna. Okay? Others made 300,000%. Just make sure you take profit because if it is delisted again, then you cannot change your Luna. Okay, so for now, it's kind of super risky. So you might not be able to change your fund. So just wait for a while. Let's see the market. Once the Bitcoin is in bull run, yes, Luna wala pa sa futures. Yes, yes. Not in the futures yet. So it's for hodlers for now. So you be the judge. Okay, you do your own research about it. And then if you are convinced, then you have nothing to lose. You just put some little amount and then you just let it there. If you are willing that amount to lose, so you can test it. Okay? Okay, we'll check mana now. So for TRX, 4 hours. Okay. So this one is for charting. Let's check for the fib. Swing low, swing high. So we are currently in the 0.5, okay? So 0.5 is a strong support. Okay. The most important number in fib lines, you remember is 0.5. Okay, so that's one of the most important number in the Fibonacci lines. Okay? And the number beside it, the 382 and the 618. The profit taking area, of course, is the most important, is the 1.618. Okay? So that's the golden ratio. But for support resistance, you can expect that 0.5 to really work. It will really be effective. Okay, so for price target, swing low, swing high, and then bottom. Okay, so for price target, your first TP can be here. Okay, you can take profit in 0.5. So if you are already in 0.5 here in the Fibonacci and here in the extended, okay, this one is trend-based extension. So you can take profit here, which is the 0.382. The next one is 618 and then 786. Okay, so yeah. Next resistance is waiting right here. Okay, so yeah. Finding support, then testing resistance. That's our candle. So if it's done finding its support, then it will test resistance. If it gets rejected, then it will find support again. Once it finds its support, then it will test resistance again. Okay, so you take note of that one. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. So this is TRX for you. The last one will be Mana from Jom Ingala. Ingalia. Or how do I pronounce that? Ingala or Ingalia? Okay, okay. So Mana. Yo, Ram Miranda. So usually our TA is just good for a day. Okay? So our technical analysis are good for a day. So we use it to TA for a day. Okay? So mana here. Let's remove this one. We hit our profit taking. The 1.618 got hit here. Okay, our take profit area is 1.618 and got hit to the downside. Alright. So mana. Let's check. So tomorrow will be a raffle day, okay? So hope to see you tomorrow. Who's gonna be the lucky person to to bring home the 20 USDT, 10 USDT, and 5 USDT. So yeah. All right. Okay. So we will wait for a while. It's freezing. Oh, ako na po ang lucky tomorrow coach. Yes, sir. Okay. Look at this one here. It found its support in the daily time frame and it start pumping. It's already the bottom, so that's the most likely the support. Okay. Let's check in the weekly time frame. All right. Okay. So who's gonna win? Giancarlo Palma. Ako na po yun, sir. That's the spirit right there. Okay, so you can see here, such a long week. It's like I touch a demand zone. I need to leave that area. I cannot stay longer there. So many institutional buyers there. I cannot stay for a long time here. It touched a demand zone like this long week right here. It seems like there is a shadow that is waiting for the buy order, okay? So it's like 100 M sell position. When it drop here, there is a 1 billion buy position. Okay, so it really would pump the price to the upside. Okay, so that's the power of the demand zone. That's why we trade with this zone. Okay, we trade with the zones. You find the demand, you find the supply, and then you know that it's a demand zone when you see a long wick. Okay, so looking forward that it will hold, and then we can expect more to the upside. Okay, so resistance. The bottom would kick in this area. Okay, the really bottom. Okay, this is the bottom for mana. Resistance. This will be a resistance. Okay, so you expect a resistance in that area. Okay. Okay. Profit taking. If you want to long position, you can start taking profit in every level, okay? In every resistance area. Okay, so you can take profit in this area once you start pumping. Okay. Yes. So this is daily time frame for you. So seems like we have found the support already in this area. So we'll see. Okay. It's starting to form a rally-based rally. Pull out the fibs. Its support area is waiting into A2. So if you want to open long position, you can have it here. Okay, this area for long position. Okay. Awesome oscillator is super bullish. Our volume is super bullish also. Okay. MFI is also bullish. Okay, so it's a strong bullish trade. Price target. Okay, for price target, let me pull out this one. Okay, so you can start taking profit here. 0.5, okay, the most important profit taking. 0.6, 0.786, 1. Okay, so you can have that profit taking area. Okay. Chechens Dumadaga sa 1 RTF poster. Okay, we'll check 1 hour TF. So basically, this is 1 hour time frame. We are above 200 moving average in 1 hour time frame, okay? So yes, yes, yes. Gonna try to find support. Support from 1 hour time frame is this one. Okay, this can be our support right here. That's possible. Okay. Or the next support will be this one. Okay. So that's also possible. Look to the left when you don't know where it is going. And when you say some volume, so you can expect that that can be a resistance. Okay, like this one. This can be a resistance right here. So we get rejected. So that means it's a resistance. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. So yeah, for specific signal, make sure you are part of our Telegram community. Okay, we're gonna send our signal there. It's weekend today, so not much movement maybe. Just like our title, it would either be a consolidation or weekend pump. So if there is no pump, then that would mean that's gonna be a consolidation, okay? We just need to accumulate, okay? Haven't checked the Bitcoin, right? So we check all your suggestion, but we haven't checked our Bitcoin. What's gonna happen with Bitcoin? Let's check Bitcoin. Just a quick check, okay? USDT. Okay. So right here, we're gonna accumulate more. Okay, so we're gonna accumulate in this area. As you can see, we are finding support here. The drop already hit the take profit area. Okay. So we are just having some accumulation area here. Okay, automatic reaction here to the upside. So we're gonna accumulate here. Okay. And then find way out to go to the upside again. Okay, we just need more volume because we are about to touch the 200 moving average and the 200 is still far. Right here. Resistance is kicking this way. Okay, resistance. The next resistance is waiting right here. Okay. And the next resistance is waiting right here. So yeah, most probably these are the testing resistance and finding support. Okay. I'll be giving the specific signal in our practical group, okay? So yeah, let's pull out the Fibonacci. Bottom to top. Okay, here. So we are here in 0.382. So good entries would be 382, 0.5, and 618. Okay, that's a good entries for long position. Okay, if you wanna trade, that's the entries that you need to consider. Okay, the best entry, if it's a fast trend, sometimes 382, it will not reach the 0.5. Okay, if it is a strong trend to the upside, it will bounce automatically in 382. Sometimes if it's too strong, it will only bounce into 2.236. Okay, it will not even touch 382 and 0.5. That's why if you notice, I give you three entries because sometimes It can reach 0.5, sometimes it can reach 0.618. So at least you know how deep it can go. If I give you that kind of signal, you can short to the downside, wait, and then try to the upside. Or you can just wait for it and then open long position. Okay? Alright, alright. All the best everyone. Thank you for joining us. So we're gonna encode some to our raffle. So let me check the entries. Magic Chess, Allen. Okay. Raven.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home.
Kimborgo already here, right? Okay. Dan Ventura. Okay, already here also. Ramil also here. Okay, okay. So all entries are here. So thank you for joining our live today. All the best, everyone. Stay safe, trade safer. Okay, see you tomorrow for our raffle and another live technical analysis. Okay, all the best, all the best. Stay safe, trade safer. Cheers, cheers. See you in practical group. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.